Hey guys, Garrett RPM Diecast, and today we have a Nissan Silvia S15 from Forza Motorsports. Really nice casting. It was released in 2018. I've got the Haka that's kind of got the same kind of livery on it as this one. Different rims, obviously. These are the 6-spoke mags. Really nice set though. A lot of nice cars. Lamborghini Huracan, the BMW. But yeah, let's go get this bad boy cracked open, and I shall crack it open right now. Then we'll go take some closey upsies of it. Detail headlights, detail taillights, as all these premium cars do. Plastic spoiler, just kind of a bummer, but that is okie dokie. And here's just a little comparison between the Haka and the same livery, same color of rims, but again, these are the 6-spoke mags. And these are not, but yeah, basically identical liveries, but really, really nice. Let's go take some close-ups, and then we'll chat a little bit more about it when we come back. That was the Nissan Silvia S15 from Forza Motorsport. It is a premium casting, like I mentioned before. One really cool thing is this was the first year that this was the first casting they did in a premium for the Nissan Silvia S15. They did a mainline back in I want to say 2006 is when the first one came out, and then it's been releasing as the years went on. But this was the first premium, which is pretty cool. Another thing too is that the windows are smoked. They're kind of like a light tint to them, and I really like. The one thing I didn't show in the close-up is I really like this exhaust on this. I don't know what it is. Like, I got the Haka here. Again, it's a totally different casting, but there's a little exhaust out the side there. But this, just seeing that big beefcake muffler right there, I don't know why, but I freaking love that, dude. Yeah, so that's it for this car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, I do have a eBay auction up currently that ends November 9th. I've got lots of cars on there. I'm adding more. Shipping I might change after, you know, the auctions are done, just because they're all Canada Post, but they're about to go on strike here in Canada, so I'm probably going to switch to a different company for shipping. But it doesn't matter, because every $35 you spend on the eBay auction is automatic free shipping for US and Canada. That does exclude all other countries, just because it's quite pricey to ship stuff. Another thing too, don't forget about a giveaway. We got the Super T-Hunt and the R34 Skyline. All you have to do is comment down below your favorite casting. And do not forget to keep on collecting.